Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with DataRobot for AI deployment workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with DataRobot for AI deployment workflows, begin by accessing the DataRobot platform. Navigate to the DataRobot website and locate the login page. Enter your user credentials in the appropriate fields. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the API settings in your account profile. You will find an option to generate an API token. Click on this option to create a new API token. Ensure you store this token safely, as it is essential for authentication. Now, open your command line interface or terminal on your local machine. Install the DataRobot Python client if you haven't already. Use the pip command to install the client by typing pip install DataRobot. Once installed, import the DataRobot client in your script. Use the following code snippet to authenticate, import DataRobot as DR. Next, utilize the API token you generated. Set the token in your script by typing DR client, token equals your underscore API underscore token. Replace your underscore API underscore token with the actual token you stored earlier. After authentication, verify your connection by calling a simple API endpoint. For example, you can fetch the available projects using drproject.list. If the response returns a list of projects, your authentication is successful. Now you are ready to proceed with your AI deployment workflows. Continue by creating a new project or analyzing existing models as per your requirements. Utilize the comprehensive features of DataRobot to scale your AI solutions effectively. Make sure to handle the API token securely throughout your deployment processes. Always review DataRobot's documentation for any updates or changes in authentication methods. Follow best practices to maintain a secure and efficient workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.